Now we're going to talk about events being dependent. So events are dependent if the occurrence of one event does affect the probability of another. If A and B are dependent events, then the probability of A and B happening, you can't just say probability of A times probability of B because they affect each other. So you first have to have A happen. Once A happens, then you take the probability of B after A has happened. So it's going to be a little bit more work to figure that out. We'll do a couple of examples here, and then I've got more on the bottom of 5, 6, and 8. They're numbered a little weird, but we'll go with it. So here it says a class has 18 boys and 12 girls. 2 are chosen at random. What is the probability that the students chosen will be a boy and then a girl? So we are going to have to say that the boy is chosen first, and then the girl is chosen second if we're going to do this problem the way that I want to do it. So you walk in, what's the probability the first person you pick is a boy, and once that happens, the second is a girl. So we would follow this formula, and it would be the probability of a boy times the probability of a girl after a boy. So the probability of a boy, let's say we've got a total of 30, so 30 total. So a boy would be 18 out of 30. And then a girl, well, how many girls are there? There's 12 girls in the room. And that boy is gone. So we picked the boy, he's out of there. So now we're down to only 29 kids. So 18 out of 30 times 12 out of 29, because it's the boy after it's a girl after the boy's been chosen, so the boy's gone. So we'll multiply across and multiply across 36 out of 145, and that is 25%. Next up, what's the probability of selecting 2 boys? So that means boy, then boy. That would be probability of boy times the probability of boy after boy. So the first one is the same as before. What's a probability you go in the class, grab someone, and it's a boy? 18 out of 30. Now that boy is gone. How many boys are left in the room if that first boy is gone? We're down to 17 boys. And if that first boy is gone, how many total kids do we have? 29. So we multiply across, and we end up with 51 over 145, which is 35%.